Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for having me. Before we start, I'd like to give a special thanks to Genentech and contributors for hosting this event. My name is Justin Minchadi, and today we will be asking ourselves if space exploration and colonialization is necessary for economic stability, but more importantly, if the efforts of space travel are dissipating our resurgence to a distinct portion of the environment. As stated by NASA Administrator Aaron Cohen, let's face it, space travel is a risky business. I always considered every launch a barely controlled explosion. Dr. Cohen could not have been more right. To put this into perspective, in just half a century, more than 160 launches have failed. But it's a risky business, we say, as we still continue to seek higher things and venture to the unknown. I guess a 40% chance of vehicular failure is grounds for the saying, try again, fail better. Let's set aside statistics for a moment and focus on the real questions. Have we given up on this planet? Is the need to go beyond our gravitational limitations superseding the fundamental establishment of the only celestial object we've ever known? And what exactly are we spending billions of dollars trying to observe? A new home, perhaps? Another scientific anomaly? Maybe even indication that life exists elsewhere. It is the unknown that drives mankind. Over the years, astronomers have been trying continuously to discover what lies beyond the stars, which to most might seem applicable in conventional minds, but I see it as a good way to undermine the frugality of federal agencies. As humans, we are driven to explore that unknown and push the boundaries of our scientific and technical limits. As we are aware, the universe is far too vast for human exploration, and much of what we do know about the observable universe has already been documented by telescopes, satellites, and other means of collecting data. Some agree space exploration helps us address our place in the universe. But we have seen objects 13 billion light years away in a galaxy that's only 100,000 light years apart, known inclusively as the Milky Way. Now, if you're searching for a more psychological directive, I'd recommend trying out your local church. But why are we spending billions of dollars to send things into outer space when we have so many problems down here on the ground? Heat waves that are getting worse around the globe, extreme drought on the West Coast, and nearly half of all humans on the planet living in poverty, just to name a few. There are more urgent issues needing to be addressed while NASA is spending $18 billion a year on research and space exploration. But NASA isn't the only subsidizer of spending money on this useless venture. Let's take a look at billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk, for example. Aside from his work on Tesla, PayPal, and many other companies, he is now dedicating his brilliance and fortune to space exploration. SpaceX and NASA are now developing the largest rockets humans have ever known to send us to Mars. In just 5 years, Elon Musk is highly confident we will have over 1 million people colonizing the red planet. Now, as fascinating as that might seem, are we ready to accept that kind of responsibility? To get Mars to have an acceptable temperature and pressure could take as long as 100 years. To get enough oxygen in the air so that it is breathable can take significantly longer. We often refer to our planet as Mother Earth, caring and compassionate, right? Wrong. In reality, Earth has a history of killing off its inhabitants. Over 99% of all species that have ever roamed the Earth have gone extinct. And the leading cause of mass extinction is not what killed the dinosaurs, no. It is the destruction of our habitat, meaning causes of climate change such as pollution and deforestation. If there were to be a sixth mass extinction, and yes, yes, I do mean a sixth, it would most likely be anthropogenic, or caused by humans. It's impossible to reverse our carbon footprints, but it is possible to limit it, so that changing planets does not have to be an option for our survival.